Hello friends, my name is Razamasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is co-location in project management. What is the concept of co-location in project management? So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that many videos can reach to you. So let's start co-location in project management. What does it mean actually? Friend, co-location it's basically a concept of team management that when we are managing a team for a project, so the co-location is a concept that the all the team member will be sitting in at one place, okay, in one office or one place, so that they can coordinate with each other easily, so they can talk to each other very easily. Normally it happens that friend, for example, if one resource is sitting in one building and the other city and the other resource of a project is sitting in any other city or at any other position at any other location, so it will be difficult for a member to talk to him. For example, they have to talk on a telephone, they have to talk on a any other software like Skype or Zoom, etc. So generally it's easier when all the team members are sitting in one room or in one war room, like generally in at one place. So it's become easier for a person, for a team member to talk to them, to communicate to them, and the communication become easier generally, and the progress becomes also easier. However, remember friend one thing, that when all the resources are sitting at one place at one location, generally we are using war room like any conference room, all the resources are sitting there. So the concept of the expenses would also be increased, because for example one resource is from any other city, so you have to bring them there and you have to bear the expenses, you have to bear the expenses as well. So the concept of co-location is that friend, that all the resources of a project team member should be sitting at one place. It will increase the level of efficiency, it will increase the level of communication as well. Now friend, when we talk about like for example, if we talk about example, you can take as an example, for example, all the resources, like just see here, all the resources are sitting at one location, so that it can easily talk to them. Generally we use a war room, conference room, in which generally all the resources are sitting with laptops, with mobile telephones and telephone extensions, so they can easily talk to them, easily communicate to them. It's an example of co-location. If you just see, this is an example of co-location, where all the resources, all the relevant resources of a project are sitting at one place. However, friend, if we talk about virtual team versus co-located team, like co-location has some drawbacks, or you can say some disadvantages as well. If we talk about virtual team as compared to virtual team, virtual team means the team who are sitting at different location, geographical location. Like one resource is sitting in Pakistan, one resource is in India, and one resource is in USA. So this is an example of virtual team. Virtual teams are communicating through the softwares like Zoom, Skype, WhatsApp, etc. So friend, for example, if we talk about virtual team versus co-located team, so virtual team, you can get more skilled resources because they are from different locations. Virtual team will have less cost and co-located team has more cost. It will reduce the travel expenses as well in terms of virtual team. No relocation expenses. In co-location team, you have to bear the expenses of traveling, relocation, the travel expenses, the pick and drop, etc. So many expenses are there if we talk about co-located teams. Communication made easier with customer, supplier, and other stakeholder. Why? Because see, in when virtual teams are talking, they are using multiple softwares. However, in the co-located team has also better communication as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.